Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1993 BMW M3. This casting is by Matchbox and this one is from its collector's line. So basically it's like what you get in the Hot Wheels Premium. So some better details, rubber tires. Let's talk about it. Let's see what it offers. So the very first thing you will see that it's a car with I think racing and rally. I'm not sure, but you can see the sponsor shell all over it. You can see it's obviously not a standard M3. You can see the big spoiler in the back, and it has an opening hood. So let's see how does it look from the side. You've got the sponsor names, Knight's Shell paint job. I will say the livery, Goodyear are there, E-Rally. So yeah, it's a rally car. 58 number. You can also see the roll cage inside. So good details. These are rubber wheels, plastic wheels, rubber tires. So now I think it would have looked better if the background wasn't white, like white on white. Spokes were white. Everything else was black. Would look much better. Has got both the rear view mirrors. That's good. The front, you can again see the Shell logos on the hood. You got a nicely detailed front end with headlamps, grille, M3 badge, turn indicators. So all the details are there. And as I said, the hood opens up. You can see the engine inside. No major details on the engine though. But yeah, it's there. Now coming to the passenger side. It's almost identical to the driver's side. No major differences here. Again, the same badges and everything. Moving to the rear, you can see the big spoiler here. Matchbox, M3, BMW logos, detailed tail lamp. Again, twin exhaust. So good details overall on the car. This is how it looks from the top. Interior seems to be done in black, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, yeah, it's a nice casting, and I wasn't aware that there's this almost identical casting when it comes to RLC. Like on the RLC website you can get from Matchbox, it's almost identical. I think the livery is different, wheels are different, and you get some details on the engine. Apart from that, it's almost identical. So overall, should you get this one? Well, if you're an M3 fan, absolutely. But there is a small but. The money you pay for this one, if you're a Matchbox fan, it's a really good casting, really good detail. But in the same price, you can get, I think, M2 machines too. So yeah, shop around. But I don't know if they offer this one, but this one is really good. So I won't miss on this. Nice detail and nice car. Well, that's all I thought. That's all I think about this one. Those are all my thoughts. If you like my videos, well, leave a like, share it. Thank you for watching.